Hi everybody, Fagun Shah this side. So recently, Malcolm released a post where he said that he's giving away bounties, $25 per package challenge, and so this particular video is part of that challenge. And what I have created as a package is Ideogram via replicate.com. So Ideogram is a AI image generator API which is very accurate with the text that it can generate, and Replicate is the platform where Ideogram API is basically hosted by Ideogram team. Okay, now there are two models for Ideogram AI. One is called Ideogram V2 Turbo and Ideogram V2. You can use both the things with my package. I haven't included all the parameters, but I have included main parameters. Okay, so I will show you how I have built the package and how I am running the package basically. Okay, so first of all, I have used few inputs like which model, and for model I knew that there were only two options, so I have selected it as a drop down and make this field required. Next one is the prompt, obviously the prompt that you want to use to generate it, right? Just one thing, don't use double quotes inside the prompt, that will cause error. Instead of double quotes, just use single quote to mention the exact text that you want to be printed on the image. Okay, and if image is not printing your text, make sure you add a word right in just before the text, right? Next one is magic prompt option, and you have three options in that. It is not a mandatory field, your choice. Default value is already set here. Aspect ratio, that is whatever value you want to pass here. So let me show you how you can find those values actually. Okay, so in the aspect ratio, here you can find the additional values here. Okay, you can use any one of these things, and yeah, that's how you can make it. Also, then I am using replicate post. This is basically http request or http node, which you can basically enter by this here, going here. And if I click on this, you can see I have all the above steps, all the above input as a mappable thing, right? Now I have put the URL here. I am mapping the model value from the uh, above input, right? So this is the endpoint. How did I get that input? By going into the HTTP here, and I got the input endpoint from here, right? Now I am passing the JSON here with other extra parameters, right? Other key value pairs. Then I am adding a delay of 45 seconds. Actually, let me make it 60 just to be on a safer side. And then I am getting the same thing back, like getting the prediction by ID, the ID generated by this step. Okay. So what I have done is I have in the JSON key, I have exposed the ID, which is the basically key value pair I get as an output or the response of this API call, right? And that ID will be used inside here. So replicate post, that is the name of this step, dot ID, right? So we are using that steps output inside this get request, right? And after this request, I only want to show the output as a output key value pair as a output in the finish. So what I will do here is replicate get prediction dot output, right? So this is how the whole thing is set up. How One more thing, by the way, replicate also needs the some kind of authorization, obviously, right? So authorization bearer token is here. So what you need to do is you need to go to keys and create a new key, let's say here. So custom service, and what you need to do here is that you need to copy this part, right, and paste it here. So just like this, AP https and api.replicate.com bearer token, enter the your API key there. So you need to get the API key from clicking on API tokens there and get the API key, right? And yeah, give the proper name. After you do that, after you set the domain and stuff, then you will be able to basically run this package. Okay, so if I click on run package here, you can see I have selected Ideogram V2 Turbo. Right, happy Diwali, sorry, Diwali text with Indian cultural background, right? And yeah, let's try to run it. It might take few seconds because I have added a 60-second of delay. Let me double check what exactly went wrong. So I think so. I entered, yeah, double quote. See, so double quotes will cause an issue. So make sure you don't use the double quote. And now you should be able to see here that the package is running right now. Okay. Now, while it is running for next 60 seconds, let me show you how you can access it. So in order to access the package, I will put the link inside. So here you can see all the profiles and stuff. So if I click here and instead of Keshav, you just need to type Fagun. I will put this link in the FB post comment as well, and then you can see all the package that I have created or maybe I will create in future, right? So yeah, that is how it will work. And yeah, I generally do public connect and Zapier automation, no code automations, and public connect custom app development as well. But this is a new experience, and yeah, I just created this whole thing within like 1 or 1.5 hour with all the testing, and Malcolm helped me a lot, so thank you for that, Malcolm. Your guidance was very helpful to complete this whole thing successfully. Okay, so here you get something like this, and you if you open it in a new tab, so it gives you happy Diwali with Indian cultural background. Just look at how accurate the text was, and look at how good the image is. Nobody can say this is a AI generated image. It actually looks like a proper photograph, right? Clicked by a proper professional photographer and camera, right? So yeah, I hope this package can be helpful for you. This was my first experience. Feel free to share your feedback about this, and yeah, I will try to create more packages in future, right? Till then, bye bye. If you want to access the package, get it from this particular link. Thank you.